In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $333 per day on YouTube creating super simple and easy videos. I promise you, you don't need a laptop or any fancy gear for that matter. All you need is a smartphone with a camera and you are literally good to go. Now on this channel, I share multiple ways that you can make money online. So make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Well, YouTube created the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund to essentially incentivize people like you and me to create TikTok style videos on their platform. YouTube is willing to pay up to $10,000 per month for this content, which is around $333 per day. It really feels like every social media platform is trying to figure out how they can get people off of TikTok, and they are willing to spend big bucks to do it. Which is honestly fine by me if they're gonna keep paying like this. Now, I do wanna let you know that YouTube is getting rid of this program pretty much in February because they're gonna do a different revenue share split for creators. So if you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, you definitely wanna take advantage of this ASAP. So the very first thing that I recommend that you do is decide what type of content that you even want to create. Now, please, please, please do not overthink this because nowadays, literally anything can be content, okay? And I mean anything. Now, before you go and start recording something crazy like your toothbrush or something, just relax. Because uploading a whole bunch of random videos on YouTube is not gonna get the results that you're looking for. So the content that you create does have to fall into some type of category. So the YouTube algorithm already knows who they should share this content with. So I wanna give you some video topic ideas that you can run with that already do very, very well on YouTube, and uploading this content should do well for you as well. So the very first niche that I recommend is pets. I mean, who doesn't love dogs? If you're a pet owner, you already know that your pets do like some crazy things, right? So all you have to do is pull out your phone and press record. I'm telling you, people love these videos and they literally go viral all the time. I love seeing these videos because they're super funny, and I swear people's pets do like the craziest things. So all you have to do, if you see your pet doing something silly, pull out your phone and start recording. The second niche that I recommend is food. I mean, come on now, who doesn't like to eat? So if you're a big foodie like me, this is very easy content to create because you're already going to a whole bunch of restaurants, right? And so what I recommend that you do is just showcase the outside of the restaurant, right? Showcase how the inside of the restaurant looks, and then just showcase your meals. So a lot of people show their appetizer, their drinks, you know, their entrees, and just let people know, you know, where this restaurant is located. And this is content that I love because I watch these videos all the time trying to find new restaurants in my city. Now, if you're not somebody that goes out all the time, then I recommend, you know, showcasing the meals that you cook at home. So showcase, you know, the ingredients, the before and after, right? And there's a lot of meals that I've made based on, you know, short form content that I've seen online. So another niche that I recommend is the fashion and beauty niche, okay? And this niche is huge, particularly among women, because I know my girlfriend, she watches literally all types of YouTube shorts on this. So like nails, lashes, wigs, installs, extensions, like all the things, right? Makeup, you know, there's so many things that you can showcase, you know, within this niche. So, you know, if you're a woman watching this, like, you already know the vibes. Like, you can create a lot of content this way, you know, or if you're in fashion, right? So you like showcasing, you know, the shoes or the pants that you buy or where you get your shirts. You know, Amazon finds is really huge, especially for women. So, you know, there's so many things that you can create here, or even something simple, just showing your outfit of the day every single day when you wake up. So you don't have to overthink this. Now, the last niche that I recommend is travel, right? So there's so many things you can do with this. You can showcase local attractions in your city, or, if you travel out of state or out of the country, you can let people know what are good hotels to check out or Airbnbs, what are, some of your favorite attractions or secret finds that you found in that state or city or country. So there's so many things you can do with this as well. And I know for me personally, I always like to look up YouTube shorts, different cities and see what are the cool things, non-touristy things that you can do in that city. There's so many things you can do with travel as well. Now, no matter what category you choose, focus more of your energy just on documenting than creating. Like literally just showcase your daily life. Just be the content, because the simplest videos like that didn't have a whole bunch of thought into it literally do the best sometimes with YouTube shorts. So please, like I said before, don't overthink it. Now, you may be wondering, how many times should you upload per day? Now, I recommend uploading at least 3 to 5 times per day. Now, this may seem like a lot, but if you're creating 30-second or less videos, this is like 2 minutes worth of footage tops. So I'm telling you, putting in the effort to create these videos is worth the $10,000 a month. You just have to stay consistent. When it comes to YouTube Shorts, the more content that you upload literally means the more opportunities that you have for your content to go viral. So when it comes to short form video, it's literally just a volume game. So you definitely want to play the game to your best of your abilities. Okay, so now let me show you the best way to upload your YouTube Shorts. So technically you can upload YouTube Shorts on your laptop and on your phone. But for me personally, I've always seen the best results uploading YouTube Shorts on my phone. Now, there is no real data behind this, so take this with a grain of salt. But again, for me personally, I've always seen better results when I upload my YouTube Shorts on my phone. So what you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you're signed in on your YouTube app. And then at the bottom, you're gonna see a plus button. You're gonna click that plus button, and then it should say create a short. You're gonna click that. Now you can create and record content right in the YouTube Shorts like camera roll app. It's very similar to TikTok and Instagram. I will say the YouTube Shorts functionality is not as good as I would say Instagram and TikTok, but you can still record and do some, editing and stuff like that. But for me personally, I like to edit all my videos in CapCut. Like I stand on CapCut. I love CapCut, especially for, editing on my phone. And then all I do is go to the uploads and then I upload it, from my camera roll. Once you're done selecting your content and you've done all your edits, then you're gonna wanna put in your title. Now, I always recommend having a title that has some level of intrigue and curiosity, pretty much the same way that you would create regular YouTube titles, okay? Because your titles is very, very important. And then at the end of the title, I like using hashtag shorts. I've been doing this since shorts have came out. I haven't stopped doing it. Now, some people use it, some people don't. I don't think it actually has any real bearing on the success of your video, but I've been doing it since, shorts have came out, so I continue to do it and I've seen good success with it. So I would recommend trying it out. But again, I don't think it will make or break your content. I think your content is really the major factor in how well your video does. Now, I will say that videos that are under 20 seconds have done the best for me. 30 seconds or longer have been harder to get a lot of views on. So, make sure that when you are creating your content, you're keeping it very, very concise and fast and snappy, because again, people's attention spans are pretty much trash at this point. So you want to make sure that you have very fast-paced content and it's very short and concise. Then from there, all you have to do is upload the video and publish, and you are good to go. Now, I do want to let you know that you don't have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program to join the YouTube Creator Fund. Literally, all you have to do is upload one video, within the last 180 days, and you are eligible for the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund, which is super dope. Now, after about 30 days, you should get an email from YouTube saying that you can claim your bonus. And normally this is paid out on the 21st of every month. Now, another cool thing about creating content for YouTube Shorts is that you can use this same exact content to make money on Facebook. And I show you how to do this in this video right here. So make sure that you check it out.